We got Wyatt, 10 months, 11 months and a week, first steps with dog interference.
Stand up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on, Wyatt. Oh. Gotta come get it.